Welcome to Sky Hotels Group. Let's see what ATITHI is about and how it works. ATITHI portal include hotel management system, online inventory management, online guest management, online corporate management, revenue management tools. Let's check one by one. Hotel management system provides you software for management and operation of your properties. It is easy to use. This includes functions for all departments like front office, housekeeping, engineering, banquets, sales, accounts, human resource, purchase, security, multiple restaurants or point of sales. Now let's move to online inventory management. This helps you to set up your inventory as per your needs and requirements. Set rate according to you. Sync inventory with all other booking platforms. Let's move to online guest management. It helps in digital interaction with guests like paperless check-in, check-out, guest review and feedback, guest history and profile. Let's move to online corporate management. It helps you to manage corporate rates and packages, sync live room inventory with corporate portals, direct booking from corporate. Let's move to revenue management tools. This includes many tools for market forecast, RevPAR, ARR, offers and promotions. As of now, you can use some of our services like online check-in, check-out, pick-up-drop, logbook, etc. Soon, we will launch our all services. Our portal is simple and easy to use. Let's watch tutorials. Visit www.skyhotelsgroup.com. Click on Hotel section. If you want to register, click on Register. Fill the form and click on Sign Up. Your form is submitted. Our team will get in touch with you to activate your account. It will take 24 to 48 hours. When you get activation email, log in here using your registered email ID and password. On dashboard page, you can see hotel statistics figures like expected arrivals, expected departures, etc. To edit your hotel details, click on Hotel Setup. Click on Edit button and change your hotel details. To set or change your hotel logo, choose your logo and click on Upload Logo. To upload hotel's photos, select Photos and click on Upload Photos. To set up amenities, click on Amenities, set up type, all the amenities you provide and click on Save. Click on User Setup to add or edit user. To add user or employee, click on Add Employee. Fill employee details, set a password, and click on Add. If any of your employee forget password, click on Reset and set new password. To modify rights of an employee, click on Edit and Change Rights. Then click on Update. Click on Expected Arrivals to see all expected check-in. Click in ID icon to view guest's photo and government ID. Click on Details to view all guest details and requests. To check in, click on Check-in button, then click on Send OTP. This will send an OTP to guest's mobile and email. Confirm OTP from guest and click on Check-in. Click on Check-in history to see all your check-in records. To cancel any check-in, click on Cancel Check-in button, type reason and click on Cancel. Click on Expected Departures to see all expected checkouts. To see guest details, click on Guest's name. To extend checkout date, click on Extend Stay. Set new checkout date and time, then click on Extend Departure. If you want to send invoice to guest, click on Upload Invoice, select Invoice, and click on Send Invoice. To check out, click on Checkout button, then Confirm. Departure history to see all your checkout records. To check details, click on Guest's name. To cancel any checkout, click on Cancel Checkout button, type reason and click on Confirm. Click Guests in-house to see all your guests who are in hotel now. Click on Guest's name to see details. From Action button, you can check out guest and modify checkout date. Complaint or request section is to handle all requests and complaints of guests. Click on Add New to add new complaint or request. Fill details, select department for which complaint or request is. Then click on Submit. To update complaint or request, click on Update, type remark and click on Update. Click on Type to see complaint or request details. To close complaint or request, click on Done, type remark and click on Update. Click on Guests History to view all guest records who stayed at your hotel. Click on Guest's name to see details. Click on Logbook to see your departmental logbook. To add new log, click on Add Log, fill details, select log type, then click on Submit. Color marked logs are manager's log. These logs can be accessed only by employees who have the right to access it. To complete log, click on Done, type remark, then click on Update. To delete log, click on Delete, type remark, then click on Delete. Click Close Log button to see all closed logs. Click on Pickup and Drop for Pickup and Drop section. To schedule new pickup or drop, click on Add New, Fill Details and click on Submit. Click on Type to assign driver. Click on Done to complete pickup or drop. Click on Completed Pickup and Drop to see all completed pickup and drop. Click on Lost and Found for Lost and Found section. To add new Lost and Found entry, click on Add New, Fill Details, then click on Submit. To close entry, click on Update, select Close, fill closing remark, then click Update. To handover entry, click on Update, select Handover, fill Handover to and Handover remark, then click Update. To discard entry, click on Discard, fill remark and click on Update. To edit your profile, click on your name. Click Edit button, fill the form and click on Save. To upload your profile photo, select your photo and click on Upload. Thank you for watching. For more details or query, write us to info@skyhotelsgroup.com and call us on 8888 965595.